Hey guys, welcome to my college mechatronics channel. Today we're going to be going over my Lab 6 for computer programming called Random Blinks. For this one we were supposed to create a circuit and code that would generate a random number, and an LED would blink that random number of times, and a buzzard would also sound that same random number of times, but it would be based off, but the buzzard would sound based off of the photoresistor that we have within the circuit. So here you can see my circuit. I have pin 12 on the Arduino going into my LED, which goes in straight to ground. Then I have my 5-volt pin, which is on my Arduino, connected to the photoresistor, which goes to ground. But in between my resistor right here and the photoresistor, it goes back into analog pin 1. And then over here for I have pin 3, I want to say is what it is. So over there, yeah, pin 3 connected to my buzzard over here, going straight to ground. And then here's a look at my code as well. And then we'll scroll down here. And then now we're going to see it in action. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and when I plug it in, it'll go ahead and start looping through its sequence. So we're going to plug it in, it's going to blink and go through a couple of patterns, and then I'll show you the serial monitor what it sees. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug it in. So as you can see, every time that the LED blinks, the buzzard sounds off. And basically what that LED is doing is raising and lowering the resistance of the photoresistor, and the analog pin that it is connected to is reading that high-low voltage that's going through there. And then it is sending that reading to pin 3, which goes to the buzzard. So you can see every time that the LED blinks on, the buzzard sounds, and then when it turns off, the buzzard will not sound. And we can actually check that real quick here. I'll unplug the pin 12 and I'll connect to my 3-volt pin here. And I will connect to my LED, so that I have constant power running to it, and you can tell that the buzzard is linked directly to the value of the photoresistor. And I'll plug back in my pin 12. There we go. Now I'll show you the serial monitor, because we were supposed to have it also generate that number. So 5. So for the next number it'll generate, I want you to look at the number and then count the rings that the buzzard does. So all right, and that's it. Thank you for watching.